Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with power and visibility. Charge the Epomaker to at least 20% or plug in briefly. This prevents mid-pair failures. Once powered, press and hold the Bluetooth layer key until the LED blinks. This enters pairing mode. Meanwhile, on your computer or phone, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. Make sure airplane mode is off and other active connections are paused. This reduces interference and speeds up discovery. Now look for the Epomaker name to appear in the list. Once the Epomaker shows in your device list, tap or click it to start pairing. If a PIN prompt appears, accept the default or enter 0000/1234 as indicated by the keyboard manual. This secures the link. After initial connection, some Epomaker models let you pick profiles or key maps. Use the keyboard's function keys to toggle profiles so shortcuts and layout match your system. Make sure the active profile supports Bluetooth. If not, switch to the correct one and wait for the finish by typing a few lines and testing function and media keys so you confirm the layout and connection work. If keys lag or the device disconnects, make sure battery level is adequate and move closer to the host. Interference can cause dropouts. If problems persist, forget the keyboard in your device Bluetooth list and re-enter pairing mode on the Epomaker, then pair again. As a last step, update the keyboard firmware or install vendor utilities. These often resolve stubborn compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.